Fresh off his dramatic role in brokering a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, US President Donald Trump has now turned his attention to the ongoing Israel-Hamas war in Gaza, calling for a hostage deal to secure the release of Israeli captives and end the conflict. On Sunday, after publicly monitoring Senate debate over his big beautiful bill on Capitol Hill, Trump issued a direct call on his social media platform. He wrote, quote, "Make the deal in Gaza. Get the hostages back." End quote. Trump's message comes amid renewed negotiations between Israel and Hamas, with reports that exile for Hamas leaders previously rejected is back on the table as a potential part of the agreement. Meanwhile, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu met with top defense officials at the IDF Southern Command headquarters to review the war strategy. In a speech at the Shin Bet, also known as Israel Security Agency, Netanyahu reiterated Israel's objectives. Quote, "We will have to resolve the situation in Gaza and defeat Hamas. I believe we will accomplish both goals." End quote. He also added, quote, "Beyond that, broader regional opportunities are emerging, and in nearly all of them, you are partners." End quote. In a parallel development, senior Iranian officials are reportedly awaiting a final green signal from their supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei to begin direct negotiations with the Trump administration. While public Iranian rhetoric remains defiant, the source said internal factions are increasingly open to dialogue. However, Khamenei's approval remains the sole deciding factor. Adding further intrigue, multiple reports claim Khamenei is currently in a heavily fortified underground bunker, limiting access and delaying any final decision. It is unclear whether his silence is due to personal opposition to negotiations or practical inaccessibility. As Gaza remains a flashpoint and Trump positions himself at the center of Middle East diplomacy once again, the coming days may prove decisive for both hostage talks and the broader path to regional stability.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.